usually where you have your problem. Just nice and easy here, kiddo. Wow, how'd that feel? All right, Andrew, you ready for an awesome adjustment today? Nice, let's get a little bit of stretching first. Great, nice deep breath in for me and all the way out. Nice deep breath in here. Gotcha, good. Nice and easy here for me. Beautiful, excellent. And we're gonna focus on that lower cervical, usually where you have your problem. Just nice and easy here, kiddo. Wow, how'd that feel? That was a big release. The same thing here. I know this has been the big one usually. Wow, amazing.